Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll be starting 4A. We are doing chapter number 4, which is basic algebra and algebraic manipulation. We'll be starting exercise 4A on page number 90. We are using new syllabus mathematics Oxford 7th edition for grade 7. So today we are starting algebra. We'll be starting from question number 1. This is the easiest part of the mathematics algebra. In whatever grade you are, you will feel that in all the classes, class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, wherever you go, in whatever grade you are, you will feel that this is the easiest one. Okay, let's start. Write down an algebraic expression for each of the following statements. So first, a quick review. Equation, expression. What is the difference? If I say 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, so this already has equal sign, so this is an equation. If I write only 2 plus 3, there is no equal sign, I'll say this is an expression. If I say a plus b is equal to 7, equal sign is there, this is again an equation. If I say a plus b, there is no equal sign here, so I'll say it is an expression. Okay, so please keep in mind the difference between the equation and expression. If you find that in the statement of the question equal sign is already given, so that will be an equation. If no equal sign is given in the statement, that would be an expression. Okay, this was a basic introduction or difference between equation and, some people say equation, some say equation. Okay, equation and expression. Okay, so we'll start from question 1. Write down an algebraic expression for each of the following statements. Part A says add 5y to the product of A and B. We need to add 5y. Okay, we know we will add 5. But where? To the product of A and B. Okay, add 5y where? To the product of A and B. What is the meaning of product? Product means multiplication. Keep in mind, product means multiplication. So they say add 5y where? To the product of A and B. So first we must know what is the product of A and B. Product of A and B is A multiplied by B. This is a product. But in algebra, there is no need of writing multiplication sign. If it is written as AB, still we know automatically in our mind that it is A multiplied by B. Okay, even we can write it A dot B. This is A multiplied by B. We can write it A multiplied by B like this or like this. But in algebra, we will simply write AB. AB means A multiplied by B. So this is the product of A and B. We need to add 5y to the product of A and B. So just we will add 5y. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression for part A. Statement was add 5y to the product of A and B. So first we found the product of A and B, which is A multiplication B, but no need to write multiplication sign when you are using algebraic language. This is algebraic language. AB means A multiplied by B. It is understood. Okay, so this is the product of A and B, and we need to add 5y. So add means plus, so we did plus 5y. This is the answer for part A. Now we will be moving to part B. I'll read out the statement for the part B. It says subtract 3 subtract 3 from the cube of f, from the cube of f. Okay, so we need to subtract 3. When we will be subtracting 3, the minus sign will be coming with 3. Okay, how to do is from the cube of f. What is cube of f? F power 3, f cube. Okay, so we will say f cube, we need to subtract 3, minus sign must be with the 3 because we need to subtract 3, minus 3. Okay, this is the algebraic expression for subtract 3 from the cube of f. F cube minus 3. This is the algebraic language, or we say algebraic expression. This was the answer for part B. Now we will move to part C. Part C says multiply k by 6q, multiply k by 6q. We need to multiply, so it will be k multiply by 6q, but we know that in algebraic language there is no need of writing this symbol of multiplication. If we write this k 6q, it means all three are being multiplied with each other. So this is also the answer, but if we write 6 in the beginning and write kq, it is the same. This is the answer, this is the answer. Okay, all three are being multiplied. No need to put this multiplication sign when you are talking about algebraic expression, which is a algebraic language in fact. So now we'll be moving to part D. Part D says divide 2w by 3xy. Means to say we need to divide this figure divided by 3xy. Okay, this is also the answer. We can interpret in another way. We can say 2w over 3xy. Okay, this is also correct, this is also correct. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression or algebraic language. So this is how we say divide 2w by 3xy. So this was part D. Now we will be moving to part E. Part E says subtract 4 times the positive square root of z. Subtract 4 times the positive square root of z from the thrice of x. What is the thrice of x? 3 times. Thrice of x means 3 multiplied by x. So we can write it like 3x. No need to put multiplication sign. So thrice of x is 3x. Subtract 4 times the positive square root of z. 4 times mean multiply. Positive square root of z. Z, it's under root. Okay, but we know that in algebra no need to put this multiplication sign, so we can say this is 4z under root. Okay, we need to subtract this one. This will be subtracted. Subtract 4 times the positive square root of z. This will be subtracted, so minus sign must be with 4 under root z because this will be subtracted. Okay, From where? From the thrice of x. Thrice of x is 3x. Subtract minus 4z under root. Okay. So this is exercise 4a, and it was question number 1, and we have done part E. So this is the answer. I'll recap. It says subtract 4 times the positive square root of z from the thrice of x. So I told you about the two parts. One part is thrice of x. It is 3 times of x. Thrice, 3, half means multiply. X, 3 multiplied by x. But we know that in algebra, in algebraic language or in algebraic expression, no need to put this multiplication sign. If we write 3x, it means this is 3 multiplied by x. Okay. So this is done. The thrice of x is 3x. Then we talked about 4 times the positive square root of z. 4 times 4 multiply positive square root of z. Z under root. Okay. We know that no need of this multiplication sign. So we say 4 under root z. It means it is 4 times positive under root of z. Okay. So we need to subtract this from this. So subtract this. So minus sign must be with this one. With this one. We will say 3x minus 4 under root z. This is the answer for part E. This was the algebraic expression or algebraic language. Okay. Now we will be more